To create messages and announcements, you'll just click the plus in the bottom right. Select Create Announcement. To post to multiple classes, you'll just click this Post To dropdown. To schedule announcements, you'll just click Schedule here.
Yeah.
And to add any files or images, you'll just click the plus in the bottom left corner. You will notice you do have a 10,000 character limit for announcements, so it's very unlikely you will ever reach that, so feel free to type as much as you want in this announcement section.
Yeah, I know.
For messages, you'll just click Create Message. All of your contacts will show up here. Once those guardians have joined, you'll just click this Show Guardians button. And so for a direct message, just select one person. For a group message, select multiple. To switch to broadcast, you'll just click this broadcast in this type section up here. Once you're ready to type, you'll click the arrow. You can send any voice recordings, attach any images with this plus button, or just type out your message.